Module 3, Personal Branding and Identity Expression. Your personal brand is how people see and remember you. It is not just about social media. It is about how you speak, how you behave, what you stand for, how consistent you are. You are always sending a message even when you are quiet. The goal is to make sure your message matches who you truly are. Key lessons. Your actions shape your image. Consistency builds trust. Be real, not fake. Stand for something clear. Ask yourself, if someone described me in one sentence, what would they say? Do this exercise. Create your personal identity statement. Fill in this sentence. I am someone who values dash and shows it by dash. Example. I am someone who values growth and shows it by learning every day. Keep this statement and use it to guide your behavior. Module 4. Communication in professional settings. In work, school, or business spaces, how you communicate affects how people see you. Good communication is clear, calm, respectful, and confident. You do not need big words to sound smart. You need clear thinking and simple words. Key lessons. Speak clearly and get to the point. Listen before you respond. Ask questions when unsure. Stay calm under pressure. Ask yourself, how do I usually speak when I feel nervous or under pressure? Do this exercise. Practice a clear message. Take one idea and explain it in 3 simple sentences. Example. What is the idea? Why does it matter? What should happen next? Practice this with a friend or in front of a mirror.